Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. On today's vlog, we are going to be learning how to apply and get financial aid on Coursera. This is a step-by-step guide. So, are you looking to upskill, learn a new skill or change your career path and you cannot afford to do so? Are you aware you can apply for financial aid on Coursera and learn for free? This video will teach you how to apply for financial aid and also get it for free. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel. First thing you need to do is to click on your Chrome browser and to take you directly to Google where you will type Coursera. Coursera. You click on the URL. For me, this URL will take me directly to my Coursera dashboard. This is because I am already logged in. So on the left hand side, you type the name of the course you're interested in. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm interested in data analysis, but for you, you can be interested in any course like SEO or social media marketing or just anything. Having done that, it will bring out the results for data analysis. That is all the courses under data analysis. Okay, I'm not interested in the Google data analysis, but I think I like this IBM data analysis. I click on it. This will take you to a page where you will see what the course entails, what you are going to learn when you take this course, and the skills you are going to acquire after taking this course. And on the right hand side of the page, you're going to see the benefits of taking this course. The first is the learner career outcome of taking the course. The second is that attached to this course is a shareable certificate. The third is the course is 100% online. The fourth is the course is flexible, so you can take it according to your own schedule. The fifth is that the course is for a beginner level. Then the sixth is that it takes approximately 11 months to complete the course. Lastly, the course is available in English and other languages. Then you scroll back up. Haven't checked out all what it entails, you scroll back up. Then where you see financial aid available, you click on it as shown by the arrow. Haven't done that, you click on continue to the application. On this page, I'll read the terms and check mark that I have shared accurate information and commit to finishing the course. And in the box below, I'll type, I agree to the terms above. I agree to the terms above. Then click on continue. On this page, I'll share additional information with Coursera. For the educational background, I'll click college degree, or I'll choose college degree. Then for my annual income, it's 0. Employment status will be unemployed, though there are other options, but I recommend you go with unemployed. We are talking about financial aid here, remember. How much can you afford to pay? I recommend you go with 0 too per month. The next question, why are you applying for financial aid? I'll quickly let you know how to go about this. I would say I am applying for financial aid because I am unemployed and currently live with my mother. I know with a course like this, it will help me stand out with prospective employers and enable me get started with a new career. This way, I can assist my mother with her drugs and also get her adequate medical care. Further, I'll let them know I cannot afford to pay for this course, and getting this aid will allow me complete the course and enable me get medical insurance for my mother so she does not need to worry about her diabetic medication. The next question is, how will taking this course help you achieve your career goals in 150 words? Here, I'll let them know that with my background in sales, this course will allow me to understand the processes behind the business and therefore help me gain insight on how to make more sales. It will help launch my career as a business analyst and also give me the opportunity to understand how to use powerful tools like Excel, Tableau, MySQL to analyze data and improve overall performance of businesses. Next is to help Coursera improve their financial aid. Having clicked on no on while you consider using a low interest loan to pay for your courses, then the next in this box is to answer why your answer is no. So here you will just be typing no because you do not have a job that will allow you pay for the loan, even if the interest is low. Okay? That will allow you pay for the loan, even though the interest is low. I just quickly want to say that your answer here does not affect if you will get the financial aid or not. So feel free to answer the question without any form of pressure. Having done that, the next thing you need to do is check mark the I am not a robot button. Yes, then click on submit application, and that is how you apply for financial aid on Coursera. This is so easy and simple. All you need to do is tailor this tutorial to the course you want to apply for. If you want to apply for SEO or let's say social media marketing, you just tailor and personalize your answer to suit the course you are applying for.